This is the correct way to make a cold Milo drink. Well, in my opinion anyway. Cheers. Now often my wife will make me one and she will fill the water up, fill the milk up to the top. Then she will put the Milo in. This is probably not the best example because it's a very big glass and I haven't filled it right up, but the thing is when you put the Milo in, when the milk is filled right up to the top like that and you want to stir it vigorously, it's very easy to flip some of the Milo out and make a mess. Now, I hate a mess. So that's the first way.
Can you give us an example of a mess?
A mess? No. Don't want to make a mess. So that is an example of the first way, which is wrong. So the way I do it, in order to keep things nice and tidy and nice and neat, is to fill the glass halfway, like that, and then put the Milo in. Stir it up. You can be as vigorous as you like and it's not going to fly over the side and make a mess. And the other thing is, mother-in-law would often make me one, which was also very kind, but then she'd get a bit of hot water and she'd tip it on there to melt the Milo on the top. And that's part of what I enjoy, a couple of spoons of Milo granules, you know, before you actually drink the Milo. So then when you've stirred it up enough, fill it up and it's ready to go. So in my opinion, that's the way you should be making a Milo. Actually, I'll have this one because there's more Milo in the top of this one.
Very good.
The other thing is when you open the Milo, I prefer to open with this end because I found years ago that if you use that end, sometimes it can be a bit weak and I ended up bending just the end of the spoon. That's also not very neat and tidy. So enjoy your Milo.